Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you'll need to know about the urchin plant on Grey Garden. So you can get the urchin plant by opening the gardener seed pack and being lucky, like I was just now for some reasons. That was like my first ever gardener seed pack and I got it, and let's plant it here. I'm just going to use some sprinklers here to hopefully make it a little bit big. Hello? Can I not place that? Okay. I don't know why I couldn't place that. Well, yeah, I'm just going to try to place sprinklers to grow that. And I'll be right back when it's done. By the way, it is a divine plant and it is the same like value as the Princess Thorn. It is also a limited time plant from the Beanstalk event. And the seed chance you'll get from it is 10%. And yeah, I'll be right back when it's done growing. And this is what the urchin plant looks like when it's grown fully. It produces more than one plant. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's super big, but these ones, I don't think they're grown fully yet. So let's use our magnifying glass to see how much they're worth. I'm just going to use it on kind of the bigger plant here. So 2 million. Again, it is the same as the Princess Thorn without any mutations. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.